Introduce highlight features or overview summary for EDUP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver, 1080p, stable HDMI wireless extender kit. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: plug and play. EDUP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver would be paired right out of the box so that it can be plugged in and then played. No apps, no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, and no driver required. Easy to operate and simple to use. Stable and low latency. EDUP wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver integrate a powerful video encoder/decoder and 2.4. 5 GHz Wi-Fi module with high sensitivity antennas to provide a high-performance screen mirroring function. Only 0.1 second low latency enables you to enjoy a smooth experience. Mirroring to big screen with 1080p EDUP wireless HDMI kits are designed to wireless stream audio to a big display without delay. This HDMI extender has a resolution of 720p and 1080p. You can add a new feature to your TV and cast some featured apps, including Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Apple TV and so on. You together with your family and friends can immerse yourselves in movies, live sports, Super Bowl, World Cup, and gaming. 1RX to 8TX. With EDUP wireless HDMI kits, a maximum of 8 transmitters can be paired with one receiver. No support multiple receivers. When you have an important conference, you can share contents on your own devices without wasting others' time. Wireless transmission up to 98 feet or 30 meter. EDUP wireless HDMI extender offers wireless transmission of audio, video signals and extends them to HDMI displays with an unobstructed transmission range of 98 feet or 30 meter. Powerful long-distance signal can penetrate the wall, floor, and ceiling transmission. Transmission range 30 meter will be shortened when working across some barriers, including a wall or a door. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.